Don't think he's going to carve the shit out of you?
I work with him a lot. Hold on, let me grab your feet the right way.
He's trying.
I don't want to put my feet in here, but I think I'm going to have to. Come here, sweetie.
That's what I said. I didn't know without somebody jumping down there how they get him out, but you're handling it.
Maybe you just got wet and you don't need to go to the doctor.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yeah.
We just knew that if he stayed in there, he'd drown.
Oh,
Eventually.
yeah. They would have never found him until it was too late.
Yep.
There you go. Nice little barn owl here.
Yeah, he's very cute.
Yeah. What are you doing? This is a little girl. Who knows how long she's been down there?
Yeah, I don't know.
How did you find